Suzuki is reportedly gearing up to introduce an exciting new iteration of the Cappuccino, featuring a Toyota-sourced 1.3-liter turbocharged engine. This collaboration marks a significant step for Suzuki in revitalizing its iconic lightweight sports car, blending its expertise in compact vehicle design with Toyota's renowned engine technology. The original Suzuki Cappuccino, introduced in the early 1990s, captured enthusiasts' hearts with its nimble handling and convertible roof, earning a reputation as a fun-to-drive roadster. Now, Suzuki's decision to equip the new Cappuccino with a turbocharged engine from Toyota promises to elevate its performance to new heights while maintaining its lightweight and agile characteristics. The 1.3-liter turbocharged engine, sourced from Toyota's lineup, is expected to deliver a perfect balance of power and efficiency, ideal for spirited driving and everyday usability. This strategic partnership allows Suzuki to leverage Toyota's advancements in engine technology, ensuring that the new Cappuccino meets modern performance standards without compromising on fuel economy. In addition to its enhanced powertrain, the new Suzuki Cappuccino is anticipated to feature a refreshed design that pays homage to its heritage while incorporating contemporary styling cues. Sleek lines, a compact footprint, and a retractable hardtop option are likely to appeal to drivers seeking a blend of practicality and open-air motoring pleasure. Inside the cabin, the Cappuccino is expected to offer a driver-focused cockpit with modern amenities and connectivity features. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls aim to enhance comfort and convenience, ensuring that every journey in the new Cappuccino is enjoyable whether on city streets or winding country roads. The collaboration between Suzuki and Toyota underscores a shared commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. By pooling their resources and expertise, both automakers aim to deliver a compelling lightweight sports car that appeals to a new generation of enthusiasts while honoring the Cappuccino's legacy. Anticipation is high among automotive enthusiasts eager to see Suzuki's revival of the Cappuccino with Toyota's turbocharged engine technology. The partnership not only revitalizes an iconic nameplate but also demonstrates Suzuki's dedication to expanding its lineup with exciting and performance-oriented vehicles. As Suzuki develops the new Cappuccino, ongoing discussions within the automotive community focus on its potential impact on the compact sports car market. With its combination of lightweight construction, turbocharged power, and convertible versatility, the new Cappuccino is poised to attract drivers seeking a dynamic and engaging driving experience. In conclusion, Suzuki's collaboration with Toyota to develop a new Cappuccino featuring a 1.3-liter turbo engine marks an exciting chapter for compact sports cars. With enhanced performance capabilities and a nod to its heritage, the new Cappuccino promises to capture the essence of driving enjoyment while embracing modern automotive technology. As enthusiasts eagerly await its debut, Suzuki's commitment to innovation and excellence shines through in the anticipation surrounding the new Cappuccino.